shut no damage. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, just a quick little one. We put back the engine. We got the head gaskets in a day early, or a couple days early actually. So yeah, we threw it back together and got it all ready to go. Waiting on a couple things, and hopefully we'll have it up and running here pretty quick. But it's back to full long block. It's got all the heads on it, intakes, torque down, you name it, it's done. Engine sidewise. But yeah, so we'll hop right into the video. Enjoy.
Put on low in the background.
You can't have fucking music. Anyways, get ready.
With the header on that side, it works the best.
That's so light, dude.
Now we gotta get all your wires and shit out of there.
You should be just tucked behind that head.
Yep, you're good. So make sure you're on there.
Easy. Okay, starts.
Got them in order.
Okay, so the short one was here. Up to the short one, and the very back one was the short one.
In the middle?
No, very back one here. In the middle, yeah. Pretty sure. Did it disappear? No, that's it. And then the long ones are all down here and everywhere else.
You know what size the helmet is on this?
I think it's.
Just do a hand tight.
Yeah, just go down till they touch the bottom. Oh, you know what we didn't do? Fuck. We didn't clean out the fucking holes. Take it right off. I'm not doing it. I didn't blow the holes out. I just rolled it in those holes.
I thought you did before.
No, I fucking forgot. God damn it! Mother trucker! If you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right?
Yep. We tried the first time.
That's right.
I thought you suctioned them out with your little fucking...
That's exactly what we're gonna do.
I thought that's what you did already.
Yeah, I don't suck, I just blow. Do this, you'll end up breaking your block, guaranteed, 110%.
Especially that LS stuff.
Especially LS junk. Just kidding, we love LS. No, that is not what the piston's going to sound like, Ryan.
Meanwhile, I'm going bop, 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 going by.
Just in case you guys didn't know or you haven't caught on yet, this guy here is building some crazy ass NA Mustang.
like stage 5 of it.
Yeah, something like that. Stage goddamn
Been,
retarded.
been through the boosted levels.
Yeah. He's the reason why I'm building a boosted truck, to be honest with you. He's the fucking reason I got into cars, this bastard.
I have that effect on people.
That's okay. Yeah, that one, that one, that one. That one's that one, that one don't.
Getting into cars is one thing. With all your expensive paperweights.
Yeah, I got lots of expensive paperweight. So if all goes well, and these head gaskets work and holds coolant and everything, I'm hoping this week that we can have it running. I mean, me and Ryan would like to have it running by next week to see what we got to do, and hopefully we have good oil pressure and all that good stuff. But okay, Ryan's a legend. We thought we lost the washer, but I had double one up. Good eye. Good job, Ryan. Good job, Ryan. And now we're gonna. That's pretty good.
Fucking washers are such a pain in the ass to actually place. You got big ass hands.
Like you can stick it to anything. It's fucking awesome.
Yeah, they're good. They're good.
Good.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, Skeet. Now we'll just run it down by. Well, everybody's kind of seen how to do LS heads before, so I won't waste anybody's time. We'll torque them down following ARP head bolt specs, and once I get those two torqued up, we'll get all the other accessories bolted on. So we'll get back to you when that happens. So, after many minutes...
Simply say any of the 12 following basic GoPro voice commands. GoPro start
No,
recording.
Google, shut up!
GoPro highlight.
Oh my
GoPro
word.
stop
Hey
recording.
Google, please stop doing that. Anyways, like I was saying, me and Ryan got the whole top end back together. New head gaskets, all retorqued down the heads, no leaks so far. So that was the problem, was that back driver's side head gasket. It's all back together
Front end on.
for now. Now we're measuring up for intercooler and oil cooler. What else? That's it, right?
That's pretty much it. We're waiting on the fuel pump and should be able to fire this thing up.
So my fuel pump ever shows the fuck up. We might be able to test run this thing. But it's looking sick again. It's starting to look like a truck. You guys can see I got the front clip back on it. And the engine's all back together. Oh, it looks so much better when it's all back together, right?
I know. Starting to look like a truck again.
So we're pretty much good to go. We got power steering fluid in it. I put coolant into the block. Just need to top up the radiator. And that should be all good. All the spark plug wires and coils and plugs are gapped for a test fire up. Injectors are all installed with the CBM injector hats. We ran our harnesses all underneath the Holley intake. Then we had to redo it again and bring them onto the outside a little bit too tight to run the injector harnesses between the rail, between the high ram, but it's all good. We got her done.
Should see what their opinions are on these door skins.
Oh yeah, and if anybody out there is watching it and you have an S10 and you've done an interior before, please let me know where the best place to get door skins from. Like me and Ryan were discussing, maybe we just leave the factory stuff, but in the spirit of racing, I took this off last night on that side, and that was 10 to 11 pounds weight loss right there alone, just from the fucking door panels. So if anybody has any opinions or knows a good place to get pre-made door skins, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I think I'll wrap it up for today's video. I mean, I got these head gaskets a lot faster than I was anticipating. They were supposed to be here for another week, but we got them in, so we're good to go. That's probably it here, right?
That's probably it for today.
I think it's good enough. I mean, a couple little things we gotta do here and there, but I mean, for the most part. Right?
Pretty well there. As far as all that stuff's concerned. Just waiting on the
Fucking fuel pump. Alright guys, that's probably it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and follow along for the rest of the projects that we got going on. Looking forward to summer and getting racing. So we'll catch you on the next one. So we did a thing. We decided that we'd take the hood and cut a hole in it. And it actually turned out pretty fucking good, other than cutting my finger off. Let's check it out. So you can see
murder scene over here.
we still got to cut 2 holes. But for now, let's just cut out and we'll clean this up, put some trimming around it. Right here is going to be a throttle bracket. So that'll be nice, and I'll put this nice trimming around that and I'll get this hood painted up. But yeah, I had a bit of a accident. I cut my finger off. If you don't like blood, don't watch this part. And then I think we just got to cut 2 holes in the hood for the screamer pipes. And we're laughing a little bit, trimming on the hood there. But yeah, fucking lift it up. I think that's gonna work just nice. Like I said, I think it's hitting right here in this corner, but that's no fucking big deal. We'll trim it out a little bit more. And then it's trying to figure out where the screamer pipes for the wastegates are gonna come out. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. I did put a massive gouge in the top of my finger on my knuckle. It's Ryan's fucking fault. But yeah.
Learn how to work a drill.
Oh, fuck you. Yeah, I cut it on a drill, can believe it or not. So yeah, I'll show you a couple more pictures of that, hopefully when I got some trimming on it and it's finished. But whew.